don't know if the wind noise is going to affect this. So here we are, me and Jib. We've just travelled up one of the best roads in Wales. I'll just put down what it is. You right, mate? I'm good, man. It's on the old Renegade, and I am on the GS. We got some more bikers here. This is the second outing I've had on the BM so far, and it's all kitted up again. And I still haven't done the full service and the tappets, and it's been parked outside for weeks on end. And yesterday just got on it, started straight up. So that's just a quick update on how reliable the GS is. So, what I'm going to do is make a cup of tea though, and don't you worry, Deirdre. This does not go that fast, and this guy definitely doesn't. So, don't stress. rundown. My old man's here already set up in his van, but I'm going to do a quick rundown of the BM. So what I've got in here, dry bag on the back. One side is a sleeping bag, the other side is the clothes, dry clothes bag, and the roll mat. And then in this one, we've got a dry pair of boots, cooking fuel, and a Trangia set, nice cook, lamb soup, pot noodle, and some other long preserved items that'll last forever. And then a bit of medication, paracetamol, because I keep getting back toothache. And then go across to the boot. In here, this is where I keep water, some Red X, fuel additive, 2050s oil in this old girl, and obviously cigarette lighter for sat nav. The sat nav system that we use on this, instead of spending a lot of money on sat nav, get yourself a real old phone like this and download the Here maps, and these are all offline maps there. Clip it on there, put it in low power save. For 130 mile journey we've used like 15%, not even that, because we've got the cigarette lighters up front on this thing. Then on the side here we've got the tent, which if it works, we have the keys in there. There's another key there, I don't know, but yeah, this is the mount that broke. So for me to take this actually off, I have to undo these Allen keys at the moment, because this locks this into place. But just in there is the Coleman tent, so that's dry out the way. This is majority of consumables that you eat, dry boots. Always keeping dry clothes and sleeping bag together in this, because even if it's pouring down, all you do is whip the tent out, put the outer up, put your inner up, and then put this in the porch, open it up, get yourself nice and dry. Then bring the Trangia out and cook some food. But yeah, this guy's just checking in. He's got his little kit over there, but pretty impressed. Real travel light. But one thing that I have noticed is it gets me. If you load your bike up just for one night, it's the same equipment you use for 5 nights. It's the cooker, dry clothes, do you know what I mean? And yeah, the sleeping bag and stuff. That's stuff that it can be a week. It's the same amount of stuff that you're going to put in for one night, unless you're packing like really dry, or just on the credit card. You just carry the credit card and stay in a B&B for the night. But yeah, it's the same kind of setup. So now it's time to put the tent up. So we're just recording on the phone at the moment because all the equipment is in here. Bit of a washout. So as you saw the stuff I had before, I didn't really putting it up and showing you what I got. So this morning, one thing I love about Coleman's and like a better tents is you can just do the outside, chuck your stuff in then and effect it from the inside there. So it's the same in reverse. If you really piss it down like this, you can pack all your stuff up, drop your net down, clear everything up, keep your some of your equipment, get it there, and the last thing to go away is just which looks in the side here. So yeah, yeah, got my cakes up there, the beer from last night, and the chuck rubbish in the bin. And let's just say it's camera doesn't do it justice, and the feel's not too bad, but we're predicting worse weather. It's going to get worse and worse. I'm just nipping to the loo now. I'm just going to blow this up. Not bad tent this, you know. I've had better, but I've had a lot worse. And this is the Coleman Viper, I think, off the top of my head. I only give 30 quid for this. 30 quid. I didn't pick up from Liverpool, but it is what it is. It's over there. He's got his panties on and stuff, but he's just sorting his kit out inside his tent. He said to me this morning, I think I need a bigger tent. I was like, yeah. When you say I think you need a bigger tent, it's not because the size, it's the kit. You want to keep all your kit dry as well. So I'm just going to nip to the loo, start the bike up and put my heated grips on, and that should dry me off. There's some other bikes down there, so I think they're probably going to go early too.